Hello everyone, I Sarthak Chauhan welcoming you all to in this video. In this video, we understand about the power of neural network in R Python. So, a neural network is a fundamental component of deep learning which has gained immense popularity due to its ability to solve complex problems, particularly in the fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognitions. Both R and Python offers robust libraries to work with neural networks. Now, what is neural networks? So, a neural network is a computational model inspired by the way biological neural network, like the brain, work. It consists of layers of nodes where each node represents a neuron that preprocesses inputs and passes its outputs to the next layer. So the first one is input layer. Input layer, the data feature, example pixel values in an image. Now the hidden layer process the data through complex calculation and transformation, in which layers where computations are performed. The more hidden layer, the deeper the network. The last one is output layer. It produces the final prediction or output based on the processed data. Each connections between nodes has a weight which get adjusted during training to minimize the error in predictions. Now, activation functions in neural network. Sigmoid. Sigmoid squeeze values between 0 and 1, useful for binary classification task. In Sigmoid, the values between 1 and 0 are squeezed for useful for binary classification task. In ReLU, it returns the input directly if it's positive, otherwise zero, improving efficiency. Means ReLU input directly if it is positive. If it's not positive, then it's returned to a zero, in which it improves efficiency. Now the third one is TANH, which is similar to sigmoid, but output range from -1 to 1, handling negative values, which are negative values in term. Now, the next one is training neural networks back propagations. The first one is forward pass. Data is fed through the network, producing an output. The second one is error calculation, in which the first the data comes for the production. The second one is the error correction or calculation. The difference between the predicted and actual output is calculated. Means the predicted and actual outputs calculations predicted here. In third, backward pass. Error signals are propagated back through the networks adjusting weights. Means backward paths adjust the weight for network passes. Now, third one is advantages and limitations of neural network. Advantages are high accuracy, adaptability to complex patterns, ability to handle large datasets, and limitations, black box nature, high computational costs, and requirement for large amount of data. Now, advantage of neural networks in R. Integration with R ecosystem. R is a popular choice of data analysis and statically modeling. Neural networks in R integrate with well other R tools like ggplot2 or DPLYR. Now, the second one is interfacing with Python. R packages like Keras and TensorFlow or TensorFlow allows easy integrations with Python deep learning libraries, allowing users to leverage the full power of TensorFlow flows or Keras within R. Now, advantages of neural networks in Python. Learning complex pattern, ability to handle large datasets, not linearity and adaptability. So, discuss the last one, applying neural network in data science. To applying a neural network in data science, we have to predictive a model, image recognitions, and natural language processing, in which predictive modeling, forecasting future trends, predicting outcomes, and identifying patterns. In image recognitions, analysis and classification of an image, object detections, and facial recognition have to be there. Now, the last one is natural language processing, which including understanding and generating human language and machine translation. Now, let's see an example of neural network in R and Python. We can see example in R and Python where we are using a function keras for neural network. So I hope you learn from this video. So let's end here the video. Thank you.